So this is Prince Adam and Sky Sled from the Origins line. I already had one of these I'd gotten for my birthday, but I found some on clearance, so I bought 2 more, because everyone needs multiple of these. But this one I decided I should battle damage it, or gnarly rocket it, because again, I'm an adult male who likes to paint toys, but it's fine. Everything's fine. This is actually a pretty cool set, especially when you get it at Target for like $12. Comes with a stand, a base, interchangeable heads, and Prince Adam. Let's make him cool by throwing him over here. Now we like Prince Adam, but he's not needed for this. So the Sky Sled is really cool. Looks a lot like the original one from the vintage line. A little bit bigger, actually a little bit more sculpted and more options. So we do a quick masking and then sand and paint. Ah yes, the return of the bead blaster, but it helps the paint stick. Speaking of paint, this color I originally picked up for a different project, actually a Frozen themed Elsa project, but it worked perfectly. It's like a metallic version of the original color. Here I'm just taking some paint thinner and I'm rubbing the edges. That removes the color but leaves the silver. So it's a little bit different way to get your silver battle scratches and stuff. And here I'm doing the standard gnarly rocket, adding multiple layers of browns and grays and all sorts of different colors. Wiping it away, leaving it in the cracks, and there you go. Now you have an original and a battle damaged one. The whole thought is that the Eternian version, maybe it's dull because it's got stealth or something. And Snake Mountain doesn't take care of their stuff because they steal it and modify it, so it looks like crap. But I think it looks awesome. Anyway, a little bit of time, a little bit of paint. You can make a cheap clearance toy look really cool. Now I have 2, and a 3rd one's still in the box. Now I need to make some videos about building shelves. Lots and lots of shelves. See you soon.